Assalamu alaikum viewers. Psychology facts about human behavior. Some of us are actually afraid of being too happy because of the fear that something tragic might happen next. People who try to keep everyone happy often end up feeling the loneliness. The more money you spend on others, the happier you feel. Being with positive and happy people makes you happier. Feeling ignored causes the same chemical reaction as that of an injury. Good morning and good night text messages activate the part of the brain responsible for happiness.